Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. In this video, we explore today how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the EV industry, from enhancing energy efficiency to improving autonomous driving capabilities. When we hear the term artificial intelligence, it might conjure images of robots and futuristic cities. But AI is much more than just a staple of science fiction. It's a pivotal part of our daily lives. Let's dive into the basics of AI and see how it's making a significant impact across various technologies. At its core, artificial intelligence is the science of making machines smart. Using algorithms and massive amounts of data, AI enables machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Everywhere you look, AI is there. It's in the way your social media feeds are curated, how your smartphone understands your commands, and even in how your banking software detects fraud. But AI's capabilities don't stop here. Now let's shift gears and talk about a rapidly growing field where AI is not just present but thriving: electric vehicles. AI in EVs represents a convergence of innovation, sustainability, and advanced technology, all rolled into one. AI in electric vehicles goes beyond mere automation. It encompasses a wide range of applications like predictive maintenance, which uses AI to foresee potential issues before they occur, ensuring reliability and safety. Furthermore, AI-powered systems enhance the driving experience by learning the owner's preferences, adjusting settings such as seat position, climate control, and even the entertainment system, all tailored to the driver's taste. And that's just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, so too will its applications in electric vehicles, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from our cars. So as we can see, AI is not just transforming our present, it's driving our future, especially in the world of electric vehicle. We'll discover how AI is not just an add-on, but the very heartbeat of modern EVs. Move over, gas guzzlers. The future is electric. And it's not just about the batteries. AI is taking the wheel and revolutionizing the EV experience as we journey through the streets of innovation. From optimizing energy consumption to enhancing safety features, AI is the unseen pilot guiding these vehicles to new horizons. We'll explore the AI techniques that are transforming EVs from mere machines into intelligent companions on our roads. Predictive maintenance, smart charging, and autonomous driving. These are just a few of the ways AI is reshaping the EV landscape. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the electrifying world of AI in electric vehicles. Stuck in rush hour? Not with AI. These smart cars can predict traffic patterns and find the quickest routes, saving you time and frustration. Plus, some can even park themselves. AI-powered driver assistance features like lane departure warnings, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot detection keep you and others safe on the road. It's like having a co-pilot who's always alert. Forget fumbling with controls. AI can learn your preferences and automatically adjust settings for a personalized and comfortable ride. Some can even learn your driving style and optimize performance accordingly. Need to find a charging station or check your battery level? AI-powered voice assistants make interacting with your EV as easy as chatting with a friend. The future of AI and EVs is bright. We can expect even more advanced features that will redefine our driving experience. Let's take a glimpse into what's coming. Imagine cars that drive themselves, seamlessly interacting with traffic, pedestrians, and signals. This isn't just convenience. It's a revolution in safety and efficiency, powered by AI's rapid decision-making capabilities. Cars talking to each other in real time to share important updates about road hazards and traffic flows. This network of communicating vehicles could dramatically increase road safety and reduce traffic jams. Envision a world where you can summon a car with just a tap on your smartphone. These AI-powered, self-driving cars could significantly cut down on traffic and reduce the need for personal car ownership. Your next car might know you better than you know yourself. Advanced AI assistants could anticipate your needs. Walk up to your car, and it unlocks with a glance or a touch. Once inside, it adjusts everything from the seat position to your preferred ambient temperature and playlist, all personalized just for you. Imagine driver says, "Play some relaxing music." The AI selects a playlist based on previous preferences, subtly changing the cabin lighting to a soothing blue, enhancing the ambience. AI manages your schedule. The driver could ask, "What's my schedule like today?" and even understand your emotions, providing a tailored interactive journey. Augmented reality could transform your windshield, into an interactive display that not only helps with navigation, but also highlights points of interest and provides real-time safety information.
Before we conclude today's discussion, let's explore one of the most innovative uses of artificial intelligence in electric vehicles: autonomous driving. What enables a car to drive autonomously? Join us as we dive into the intersection of technology and self-driving capabilities. The foundation of autonomous driving is built on a network of advanced sensors. These include cameras, radar, LiDAR, and ultrasonic sensors, all working in concert to perceive the environment around the vehicle. AI uses data from these sensors to create a detailed map of the vehicle's surroundings. This map includes other vehicles, pedestrians, road signs, and even subtle nuances like lane markings and traffic lights. With this information, the AI must make decisions in real time. It processes data at incredible speeds, constantly updating and recalculating paths based on new information, much like a human driver would. This real-time processing allows the vehicle to react instantaneously to dynamic road conditions, be it a sudden stop from the car ahead, a pedestrian crossing unexpectedly, or changes in traffic patterns. At the heart of autonomous driving is AI-driven decision-making. This involves not just reacting to objects and events, but anticipating them, ensuring the safest and most efficient route. These decisions are based on sophisticated algorithms that weigh numerous factors, including vehicle speed, traffic laws, and the intended route. AI in autonomous vehicles isn't just about following rules. It's about intelligently navigating the complexities of real-world driving. In electric vehicles, these autonomous technologies are integrated with other EV-specific systems, such as battery management and energy efficiency protocols. This integration ensures that the vehicle not only drives autonomously, but also maintains optimal energy usage and performance. So, as we steer towards the future, autonomous driving stands out as a pinnacle of AI application in electric vehicles, promising a safer, more efficient, and incredibly innovative driving experience.
So, are you ready to embrace the electric revolution? With AI leading the way, the future of driving is cleaner, safer, and more exciting than ever before. If you enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit subscribe and join us at AI Joyful Discoveries.